Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the latest plugin update. When I say plugin update, I'm talking about the Order Online page, because we have been spending a lot of time trying to improve the online ordering experience for both customers and the merchants. So from time to time, you'll see updates happening. And we just did an update this morning on June 21st, 2023. And you can tell by going to the back end of your Order Online page or the WordPress dashboard, and you'll see some new options there for you to take advantage of. One such feature is Google Pay. So going forward, you could enable Google Pay. What that means is that your customers can now pay with credit card, or they can pay with Google Pay, and of course they can pay with Pay Location. So that's something really exciting for you guys to take advantage of. The other feature that we added was the ability for DoorDash integrations to occur on the Order Online page. However, keep in mind this one is still beta. So reach out to us, because we have to manually add this for you to make sure you're signed up correctly with DoorDash, and then we can get you to accept DoorDash orders through your online order page. The other thing we did was we allowed the ability for merchants to make certain items as featured items. What that means is that you can go on the back end of your dashboard and click on an item and make it featured. So what that means, it'll show up at the very top, so your customers can easily see those items that you may want to sell more of, or you may want to highlight some things that you are that you basically want to either sell more, like I mentioned, or you want people to become aware of it. The other thing we did was we improved capability or compatibility with PH 8.1. What that means, it helps increase speed, efficiency, and all those things. And also we revamped the code as well, optimized for faster output, compatible with thorough testing for the plugins that's required to make it work much better. The other thing we did was we added the ability for loyalty to work on the dashboard on the Order Online page. So this is very exciting, because previously you could only do loyalty program from the branded app. Now you could do it from the Order Online page. The way it works is that your customers will sign up for the loyalty program, and then they can also accept it on the website. But remember, keep in mind that you have to have the branded app to do loyalty program, right? Because it works on both the iPhone, Android app, and now also on your website, okay? And this is done by enabling the new checkout page that we created, which is very easily that you can enable from the back end of your WordPress dashboard. So all these features is there to help make things easier and better for you and your customers. And one other thing we did was improve the reporting feature. As you know, you can get reporting from the Clover dashboard. We also give you a little shortcut so you can also see it there as well, just for you to glance at to see how well you're doing for your online orders. And we're going to continuously make more updates, improvements as time goes by. We want everything to kind of work together seamlessly, flawlessly, right? We want your kiosk, your branded app, your online order page all talk to each other. That way it has a seamless experience, so everything kind of connects together. And that's the latest update. If you have any questions on this, or if you're interested in the branded app, or how to enable the loyalty program, or how to enable Google Pay, let us know. We can assist you with that. You can reach out to us by calling us, or sending us an email, or doing a live chat. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.